Hello, I'm Jackie Hardstaff, team leader of the Remax Regency Property Management team on the Gold Coast. Definitely the transparency. So transparency it creates with our landlords to show that the tenants are looking after properties and that we are in fact inspecting properties as well, and that going back to them. Therefore, they're not having to attend each routine inspection as well. So it builds that trust with them as well. So with the way that we're structured with our property managers, we have a dedicated routine inspections officer. So they're reporting back to the property manager after those routine inspections with any maintenance and how the property is kept. So we need to make sure that property manager is getting that communication and that clear transparency and communication from the routines officer. With them being able to see that VTC link, they can see the virtual tour and see how the property is being kept, see where that maintenance is, and be able to report better back to the landlords. So we definitely don't take any photos unless there's specific items we need to take photos of. So if there is maintenance, we definitely get photos of those areas. However, we don't take photos in general. So we won't go through and take a couple of photos each room. So there's not 50 photos in a report. You're literally just going through a virtual tour. So you can be in the property almost. Yeah, so our BDM will let future landlords know and clients that we use virtual tours for all of our routine inspections. And that definitely helps in engaging them in bringing their management over to our agency. For each property, we do 3 routine inspections. Yeah, so our routines officer will go out and do the virtual tour inspection on his phone, and then he'll upload it into the system, grab that virtual tour link, copy it into our inspection manager application for the report, add any notes that he needs to add in addition to what he's done at the property, and it will automatically link into our system, which is Property Tree, so that we can just email it off to the owner.